Hey, how's it going? Casey Johnson here from Rainier Dodge in beautiful Olympia. 360-754-5550 or online at rainierdodge.com today. Um, Today I'm going to go through a super quick video of how to do a factory order at Rainier Dodge in Olympia. So we're going to build a 3/4 ton. How about that? So we got a 2022 Ram 2500 heavy duty crew cab. Let's say we're going to do a Laramie with a 6'4" box. Diesel all the way. Go into the configuration tab up here. I'm going to put a leather bucket seats, equipment group B, night edition, safety group B, tow technology, and a fifth wheel prep. Going to roll all the way down to the bottom and put in the tow hooks that are required. Manufacturer statement of origin. And because you told me you wanted it in black, we're going to put it in black. Continue through this. Populate all your information right here. Hit the order summary. Take a look at the configuration to make sure that we got it correct. All the way through. Yep, absolutely correct. $78,450. Yep. And then once we have your information in here, we can go ahead and click this little button over here that says submit. Simple, easy, fast. 360-754-5550 to place your factory order at Rainier Dodge today. Thanks for watching.